Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray and this is my channel Murr-Made Designs. Welcome. And it is day 94 of 365 sewing makes where I am attempting the never done before task of showing you 365 garments. Phew, and we're at day 94. We are sneaking up on 100 here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We are at 259 subscribers, and I would love to be at 300 subscribers on day 100. That would be very cool. Thank you, though, so much for joining me today. The story I have to tell you today, I can't even believe it myself. I'll give you a twirl before I say anything, so you can just kind of, get your own opinion, and then I'll tell you what happened. Whee! This dress also has some wee factor. It is, the skirt's a complete circle skirt. It has seam down the front, side, back, middle. Has no waist seam at all. It's very nice and whirly twirly. So, the story of this dress. Vogue 9281. Do not buy this pattern. Don't do it. Got it out of the bargain bin at Fabricland. And you can see it has, show you the line drawings, you can see it's got all of these pieces. And you can make it with long sleeves, 3/4 length sleeves, short sleeves. And then it just has a band around the top. Well, the first thing I thought was so the picture, it looks like the skirt kind of, or the top kind of comes to your hip. When I held up the pattern pieces, and I'm very short, it seemed to be very short, and it started flaring out right under the bust, and I thought that will not be flattering at all. And so I thought, well, I will add some length in here. So I added 15 centimeters to the bodice so that it started flaring out at my hips. And I thought, why don't I add another 15 centimeters and make it a dress? And yeah, it made it a complete circle skirt. So I thought, oh, that'll be fun. It was interesting lengthening out the pieces because there are 8 pieces altogether, and cutting them all, making them all the same length, tricky. Took me a while to cut it out. Lengthening the top by 15 centimeters, all tricky. Took me a while to do. So then I have this beautiful material, also from Fabricland, from their discount area. It's a beautiful stretch, navy blue with white flowers on it, polyester, kind of a thicker kind of material. And you're probably saying, that dress looks nothing like this picture. And you would be right. So first off, I lengthened it, and then I went to sew the band on. And the band, this material does not have, I don't know, the way they had you lay it out with the grain on the, there was no stretch to the band. And so you put the sleeves on and then you put the band on it. And I was thinking, well, I hope it's kind of more like this than like this. And so I thought, well, I'll try it on before I get the band on. So I attempted to try it on, but the sleeves were like, look how skinny those sleeves are. Who are these people? They have no meat on their bones, just bones. And yeah, I couldn't get the sleeves up. There wasn't enough stretch in the material. I don't know. But anyways, I couldn't get it up. And yeah, and I was like, oh, what am I going to do this? It's such beautiful material. The skirt part turned out so nice. I'll give you another twirl just so you can see that. Woo, it is a very nice skirt. Very nice how with the added length, it flared out at just the right spot. But yeah, the top was a mess. What was I going to do with the top? The sleeves were too narrow. It was low. It was bad. So I took the sleeves, picked the sleeves out, put the sleeves up here and sewed them on. These are the sleeves. Right over the top of the dress. And I love it. I love this dress. This dress with sleeves on where the sleeves weren't. How fun is that? Yes, I love this dress that I put the sleeves on over the shoulders. Worked out just fine. So, do not buy this pattern. Here to warn you. And in my grateful thread today, I am grateful for perseverance. Because as this dress is a metaphor for life, lots of times things look like they're not going to work out, that they are a wreck. And you just keep going, keep trying, keep thinking, and it works out, strangely. So, yeah, that is my story today. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.